Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to our tutorial on Apache Aries. In the rapidly changing landscape of enterprise software, there's a growing need for flexible and adaptable solutions. Apache Aries emerges as a powerful framework designed specifically for building and managing OSGi-based applications. By leveraging OSGi modules, Aries allows components to be dynamically loaded and managed without requiring a system restart. This capability makes it an excellent choice for large-scale systems that demand continuous updates and adaptability. Before diving into Apache Aries, it's essential to understand the foundation it's built upon, OSGi. OSGi stands for Open Services Gateway Initiative. It defines a modular system architecture that enables Java applications to be built from independent, reusable components known as bundles. One of the standout features of OSGi is its ability to dynamically deploy and undeploy these bundles without requiring the entire application to restart. This dynamic nature forms the backbone of Apache Aries, allowing for highly flexible and adaptable systems. Apache Aries comes packed with several key features that enhance its functionality. The OSGi blueprint support allows developers to define application components in an XML format, simplifying the configuration of complex services. Additionally, it offers JNDI services, making it easier to locate and access resources within the application environment. Transaction management is another critical feature, ensuring data consistency across distributed systems. These features collectively contribute to a robust ecosystem that integrates seamlessly with other tools and frameworks. Understanding the architecture of Apache Aries is crucial to harnessing its full potential. It follows a modular design where each component exists as an independent OSGi bundle. This modularity allows components to be dynamically loaded, updated, or removed without disrupting the entire system. The architecture emphasizes scalability, making it suitable for large applications that require continuous adaptation and growth. The workflow in Apache Aries is designed to streamline development and maintenance. Developers define their application logic as OSGi bundles, which are then registered within the Framework Service Registry. Other components can dynamically discover and consume these services as needed. This hot deployment capability means that updates and changes can be implemented in real time without causing downtime, significantly enhancing operational efficiency. Apache Aries finds its niche in various real-world applications. Enterprise application management systems benefit from its ability to perform dynamic updates without downtime. Cloud-based services leverage its scalability to adjust resources as needed. Additionally, IT platforms utilize Apache Aries to make real-time component adjustments, ensuring optimal performance and adaptability in rapidly changing environments. Like any technology, Apache Aries comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. On the positive side, it offers high flexibility and modularity in application architecture, enabling dynamic updates without system restarts. The rich ecosystem, complete with tools like Blueprint and JNDI, further enhances its capabilities. However, managing dependencies between bundles can introduce complexity, and there's a higher resource consumption compared to monolithic systems. These factors should be considered when deciding whether Apache Aries is the right fit for your project. Ready to get started with Apache Aries? The journey begins by understanding the basics of OSGi and modular systems. Once you have a solid grasp, installing the Apache Aries runtime environment allows you to start experimenting. Begin by creating simple bundles using tools like Blueprint or others supported by Aries. As you gain experience, you can explore more advanced features and integrate them into larger applications. In conclusion, Apache Aries stands out as a powerful framework for building modular and dynamic Java applications. Its ability to support hot deployment and dynamic service discovery makes it ideal for large-scale systems that require continuous updates and scalability. By leveraging its rich ecosystem of tools and features, developers can create robust enterprise solutions tailored to their specific needs. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.